Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Face section over here. Click on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and enter your current login method. Now select Continue at the bottom and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Following that, select Done. Adjust all of those options however you want to and tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!